Dude, get that thing. Dude, get him. Give me some. Well, it is officially ice fishing season here. So we're gonna get everything ready and we're gonna get the truck loaded up in the back and head out for some early ice, crappies, maybe a few walleyes mixed in, you never know. Got a little bit of a cold front rolling through, nice cloudy conditions as you can see behind me. So we're gonna get out there, we're gonna meet a few buddies and hopefully catch some first fish through the ice this year. Gonna need this bad boy. And lastly, that right there. All right. Well, we're gonna get this stuff loaded up into the truck real quick. And last but not least, the box. All right, well, we're all set, ready to go. So we're gonna get out there. We got the dog loaded up with us today. So hopefully it's gonna be good. It's a little chilly out, so we might sit in the old portable, but we got the mini bike back there as well, and we'll get that stuff unloaded when we get to the lake. But if you guys are interested, I've been using this brand new TideWe heated vest. This is their updated version, and it's their Inferno series. But basically, comes with a small battery pack you put in there. Just click and hold. We'll turn this bad boy on, and it'll turn red. It's 3 settings. This thing is unbelievably warm when you're out ice fishing. I use this thing in the deer stand, sitting out there all the time, combined with our heated bibs, and you're just sitting in a freaking heated suit basically at that point. And then you could just throw a jacket over the top that is going to be windproof, and it really keeps that heat in. So if you guys are looking to check out any TideWe gear, or specifically this heated vest, you guys can use my code SWEARY18 at checkout, save you 18% on anything TideWe. So check it out. Otherwise, we're gonna get going. All right, well, we finally got to the spot here. We're actually gonna be targeting walleyes. We drove by the lake, we were gonna fish, and there was a bunch of people out there. So we're like, let's go try something else. So we got down to the river here. We're gonna try fishing for some walleyes, and we're gonna get the gear out of the truck, and hopefully we'll catch some big ones. All right, well, we got the gear packed up. Spud bar, of course, early ice, heater, auger, the old Garmin, and of course you got the mini bike. So we're gonna hop on here and then shoot over to the spot. Okay, well, we've made it to the spot here, and we did some scouting around. I've never been up here, so we tried to you know, use what we do in the boat. So you know, out here a lot of times on the river systems, you can see these current seams actually form in the ice, and as you can maybe see right here is the current seam that goes up the ice here. So we're sitting right in a current seam. We got some rocks down there. It's about 12-14 feet. It drops off, you know, decent amount, nothing too crazy. We may even push up shallower once that sun starts to set. These fish might be up in that 6 to 8 feet of water, which definitely wouldn't be uncommon. So we are going to see what we can do here, and hopefully catch a nice couple river walleyes. Cause it's dark. Okay. Here goes. Oh! Did you guys see that fish? That was huge. Snapped me off. No way. Just got set up here, guys. That's, dude, what the heck? Dude, that was a freaking giant. Did you see that? There we go. We got a walleye to boot. Oh! Oh, you're gonna get crushed. There you go, nice. Careful, not too fast. There you go. Oh no. There we go. Good one. There we go. First one actually topside here. Not a bad one. Good eater, but we're gonna let him go. Rip and wrap. Nice little guy. Stay off your phone, ladies and gentlemen. Little cookie cutter. See ya. Nice. Got it? Recording. Keep going, keep going. Go tight.
I'm not.
Oh my god, I can't believe this wasn't recording, but we've got a giant on. I'm gonna have to just go in next time I see it here. Just keep him steady, keep it taut. Try not to make sure that rip and wrap. I stop. Hold on. It's not opening its gills. There. Okay, I think I got it. I got it. Look at that. That is actually freaking giant. Dude. Nice. Dude, that's probably, it's got to be at least 28 inches. I do not even have a measuring tape, I don't think, but we're gonna get a nice picture for Abby here and then get this thing back in the water. All right, he is ready to go. All right, one last show for you. Check that thing out. Just a freaking freak. There she goes. Nice. Is gonna wrap up tonight. We are gonna head back out here tomorrow morning to finish this video off, and this is the first time I've ever been to this spot. So we're gonna get out here bright and early tomorrow, continue this beat down, hopefully of walleyes. We had a lot of opportunities tonight. We missed quite a bit of fish and we landed a few as well, but we're gonna head out in the morning, so we'll catch you guys when we get back out here. Well, we've made it back out onto the ice here this morning. It's the next day, but you know, we're gonna get after it. Hopefully me and Bryce here can catch something decent this morning. So we already got some fish rolling through. We've seen a couple on stream. We also got a couple tip-ups out this morning. We're gonna try and see if we can't catch a few big walleyes. Sweet. All right, we're on. First one in the morning. Not a bad one. Nice, beautiful river walleye here. Thank you, Bryce, for the assist there. I was not paying attention. Good start to the morning. I've had my line for, I don't know, maybe 2 minutes. See you later. Pretty aggressive for us. Oh, nice. Good start to the morning. Nice one. Bigger than mine even. Nice healthy fat walleyes out here.
Yeah, good release.
Off to a good start. Oh gosh, I'm getting a little chilly here. Little heated vest. Doing work this morning, per usual. Couple walleyes topside. Only been out here for maybe 30 minutes so far. It's gonna start getting light here soon, so hopefully it starts picking up even more. And we're gonna see what happens. I'm not sure how well they bite during the day, but we're about to find out.
No, there's four food plots out there. Nice.
Ooh. Try to catch another one. Looks big. Oh, yeah. Ooh, big one. Not a giant, I don't think. It's definitely not bad. Pull that piecer out. Giant. That was bigger than that. Definitely not a bad one, probably a little over 20 inches. Dude.
Holy fuck.
What the f? Dude,
Get ready.
Oh.
Get the fucking net.
Dude.
He's coming in, he's coming in.
Dude, that's 30 incher. Dude, what is that? What is it doing?
It's a catfish, I guarantee it.
Dude, it's a deucer. Oh! Oh! Yeah. Oh! No way.
It's a catfish or some shit.
Dude, get ready, get ready. This actually might be a 12 pounder.
It is one. It's one.
Dude, get that thing. Dude, get him.
Give me some.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I missed him twice. Dude, that's 30. Dude, maybe not 30. That is 11 pounds at least. Oh my god, dude. This is insane.
And the fact you lost him 3 times.
Oh my god, that is the biggest walleye I've ever caught on the river down here. That is insane. Oh my god. That's a 10-inch hole. Oh my god. That was probably the craziest thing that has ever happened. Missed him once, came back up, hit it. Had him on for like, I got him halfway up the water column there. Didn't even have the live scope down. Dropped down, brought it back down, and just crushed it. That was, oh, that was crazy. Wow, that was insane. But we're gonna get back to it. And yeah, hopefully we can continue this little beat down here. Well, we've been catching a few fish, missing a few, these last ones here, but if you guys haven't seen, we've been ripping the brand new Trika Ice fishing rods. I've been running their open water series rods for quite a while now, but I'll give you a little closer look at this guy as well. All carbon fiber handle here, Trika Ice. This is a medium 36-inch fast, which is a fantastic walleye rod. Obviously you guys can see it handles giant fish really well, as well as some of those smaller fish. So if you guys are looking to get one, I'll put a little link in the description below. Like I said, been running these things this year. They just came out, but I've run their open water rods for the last few seasons, and definitely nothing bad to say about them. So if you guys are interested, check them out down below. Oh.
Buddy, you got her.
Come on, bud. Almost. Cool. All right, folks. Well, it's been a morning, and this should be a good little two-part video. We got two really nice walleyes in this video here, so we're gonna wrap it up and we're gonna call it a morning. The fishing seemed to have died down quite a bit. And you know, we are going to pack it up, and we might go snoop around a little bit here, see if we can find some new water for some next adventures out here. But hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I got some big exciting news for you guys. I'm gonna be guiding here this coming spring, so if you guys are looking to get on a fishing trip with me, we got a brand new boat coming, loaded with graphs, and it is gonna be a super fun spring. So if you guys are looking to book a trip, you guys can check out my website, which is gonna be down below in the description, and hope to see you guys out on the water.